Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download a video from a Facebook group. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your Facebook and just go ahead to your groups right here on your profile or on your menu. Just go ahead right here, just enter the group that you want to see the video from. In my case, I just downloaded this video. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click the share button, copy the link. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my window, go ahead to my Safari. You're gonna wait up for a few moments right here. Now as you can see, you will see the first option of Facebook download video. Just enter it right here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just paste the link. Okay, let me just paste. I'm gonna just paste the link. Click right here to download. Wait up for a few moments. And as you can see, this is the video that I'm trying to download. Go ahead and download it in the normal quality or the HD quality, depending on your internet. In my case, I'm going to just download it in high quality and just download it, and it will be available on your file. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.